Okay, I made one video explaining who I was and briefly explaining who I was and what I've done. And then I made another video describing what human factors is about. In this video, I'm going to tell you a brief outline of the history and why human factors became about. I said in one of those videos that I'd upload a video relating to human factors each week, but unfortunately I had problems with my laptop, so I apologise for that now. If you are an aviation enthusiast or have an interest in this subject, you probably already know about the start of this area in 1903 with the Wright brothers. Since then, you can obviously see how far aviation has come and how it has developed within that time, since that time. Human factors is a subject that has also come in. There have been several high-profile accidents in the aviation industry which emphasise the need to introduce the human factors subject into it. One of these accidents was the Aloha Flight 243, which what happened is actually as a plane was in flight, some of the fuselage, the top of the fuselage ripped off, a large piece, it was 18 feet of the fuselage ripped off during flight, to be precise. The top of the fuselage ripped away because of structural failure, and there was an inspection done on this aircraft prior. The investigation found that during the time of the inspection there was actually 240 cracks that were missed. The investigation also revealed that there were a lot of human factor related problems associated which contributed towards the accident. A lot of the stuff in human factors is common sense and stuff that you'd already know, and you may associate accidents with inexperienced persons working, but this isn't the case, where one of the inspectors actually had 22 years experience behind him and one had 33 years experience, which shows that an accident can happen to anyone, and you just need to keep in your mind, always keep safety in your mind. The Aloha flight, the accident which happened was in 1988. There was a British Airways flight on June the 10th of 1990, flight 5390, which was a BAC 111 aircraft. This aircraft was climbing, but while it was on climb, the left windscreen actually blew out. This windscreen blew out due to cabin pressure, and it was a windscreen that had been replaced prior to flying. The commander was sucked halfway out the aircraft while cabin crew restrained him, and the co-pilot landed the plane. It was found that the wrong bolts had been used, and the task had at this time again been carried out by a very experienced person. Again, in the investigation, human factor related problems were identified. If you want to read more about these accidents, just Google Aloha Flight 243 or the BAC 111 windscreen accident, and you'll find them straight away on YouTube too. In this video, we've covered the history of human factors and why it became about. In the next video, I want to start looking at some of the models conceptualizing the subject of human factors. Like I do in every video, I just want to emphasize again that I'm not an expert in aviation human factors, but I'm just sharing my knowledge with you on this subject. Bear in mind that this is not a training course, and it's just additional support for studying. If you have any comments or suggestions relating to this video, please just leave them in the comment section below to help both myself and anyone else watching this video. Thanks. If you want to see further videos in this subject, please subscribe, and if you gain some helpful knowledge from this video, please click the like.